Hi, my name is Johannes Davidson, Head of Business Development at Auki Labs. Augmented reality will be the next step in human communication. Auki Labs technology allows any developer to create experiences in shared augmented reality, where everyone sees the same digital asset in the same location and everything happening in real time. So therefore, by being here and getting access to 5G, we can really test our solutions in a real environment, the way that it's going to look in the coming years. The main problem without 5G is that we only have access to 4G, and the latency over a 4G network is not ultimate. Having prioritized access over a 5G network, it allows us to send the information within our networking solution without packet loss, without jitter. Latency over a network is of utmost importance to us. We need it to be as low as possible, preferably sub 8 milliseconds. I'll recommend the 5G Early Access program to anyone that needs to get ahead of their competitors, get access to the latest networking solutions, and also learning that we've learned so much these days.